So an upper racked weighted lunge. You're gonna hold your weight in your right arm. You're gonna inhale as you step back with the opposite leg. Exhale to drive back up tall. Inhale to lean back. Exhale to stand tall. Top racked squat. You're gonna hold your 2 dumbbells at your shoulders. You're gonna inhale as you lower down. Exhale to press back up. Again, inhaling to lower. Exhale to return. Step up with your bicep curl. You're gonna step up, drive through your heel, come up, bicep curl at the top, lengthen down, return back down to standing. So begin into your plank position. From here, we're gonna take our right knee towards our right elbow, being thoughtful that our hip doesn't dip down in the process. Reach it back out. Left knee to left elbow, reach it back out. You're gonna exhale as you pull that knee in. Inhale there, exhale to push it out. Exhale to pull in. Inhale to hold, exhale to push out. So side plank with our leg tapping forward and backward. You're gonna come back up into that side kneeling plank here. Elbow and shoulder are stacked, hips are stacked. You're gonna take that top leg, you're gonna lift it up to hip height, and then you're gonna tap forward, tap backward. As you move that leg, be thoughtful that the rest of your body is not shifting or twisting in the process. Keep those taps forward and back within a range that allows you to stay nice and long throughout the rest of your spine.